Alright, contact page is one kind of general thing here. We're setting the padding for the CAPTCHA, 12 and 20 pixels. I just feel like it sat better at that size. Um, so you can feel free to change it if you like, to try to line up with the button or whatever. But let's start going through here. Alright, so the first couple, nothing's really going on as far as CSS is concerned. This third one, we have a little bit here. We have a box shadow we're putting on this whole column. That's this guy right here. Number 4. Number 4, we're positioning this content using margin top at -100, so you can adjust that if you'd like. And then on tablet, we're adjusting it as well, like so, to get more of the map visible. And that's it for the contact. So just a couple overlapping things there, but the rest is pretty straightforward.